Okay guys, I'm at ice cream Rollery right now. Okay guys, so I've ordered a strawberry ice cream with like fruity pebbles, strawberry sauce, and I have whipped cream on top. Okay, this is what it looks like. Okay, let's try out this one. It's good. That's like just whipped cream and ice cream together. It's good. You have the texture of the whipped cream, ice cream. You have the fruity pebbles. It's it's crispy. You've got this like fruity pebbles flavor to it, and like this strawberry ice cream on there. It's like sweet and like fruity. The ice cream looks like this. It's all rolled up and stuff like that. Once you swallow the ice cream, with like the texture of it, it's like I don't know. I can't really explain it. It's like it's like eating air. I feel like I don't know. It's a different feeling, The ice cream texture is not too creamy. It costs about $6.49. Well, give this a rating of 4 out of 5. You could mix and match. If you don't, you could customize the flavors you like it. This place is located in Reynoldsburg, Ohio. Okay, guys, if you guys want more information, I'll be putting more. It'll be down below of the video. Okay guys, if you guys like this video, like and subscribe. Okay guys, thanks for watching.